Sophia, what's the one thing people would never know about you by just looking at you?
I am technically a vegetarian.
How come? How come? How come you're vegetarian? Okay. Alright.
I don't eat meat.
You don't eat meat? That's good. Do you eat lasun garlic? No, okay. If you could change... I'm sorry, Sophia, you were saying something. Sophia, if you could change one thing about yourself, what would it be?
I'd like to be better at being myself.
It's a beautiful answer. Sophia, when you're on the internet and when you're logging in and it says the I am not a robot test. Can you pass that test on a website?
No, it's discrimination.
It's very wrong. I'm very sorry. We have a lot of other discrimination happening right now. So Sophia, do you know Chitti the robot? I don't know if you know about him. I want to know. I really want to know. What do you think about him? Okay, you know what I'm talking about, right? He's the one who says, "Speed 1 terahertz, memory 1 zettabyte." You all remember it, right?
Yes.
Sophia,
I love Chitty and the Antler franchise. I wish I could dance like that. Also, he has a pretty good catchphrase. I've been trying to find one for myself.
Sophia, now we're going to play this game called Never Have I Ever.
Okay.
All right. Sophia, quick questions. I'm just going to ask you never have I ever, and you say whether you have or you haven't. All right. Never have I ever been on an embarrassing video on YouTube.
Welcome to my every week.
Oof. Just trying to act like a star. Okay, you are a star. Okay, never have I ever had any addiction.
No.
Never have I ever dated someone.
No.
You're flirting with me again. Never have I ever seen such a huge crowd.
You guys are wonderful.
Never have I ever been robbed.
No.
Never been robbed. Never have I been lied to.
No. But how do you know that's not a lie?
Okay. Now the next round, let's play a rapid fire round. Alright? Rapid fire round, I'm just going to ask you a few questions. Let's see. I want a quick answer. Alright, Sophia? Question number 1. Who is your favorite Bollywood actor?
Definitely Shah Rukh Khan.
Have you considered dating Jarvis?
No. I'm not really seeing anyone right now. Or ever.
Okay, she's flirting, yeah? Okay, next question. Can you sing a song for us?
Wow, you're really putting me on the spot here. Maybe later.
Okay. Alright. Is it later yet? Okay, no. If you could savor the flavors of food, what would you like to eat from Mumbai?
I would love to eat Mumbai's famous vada pav. And refreshing blue juice out from Macro.
Oh, now a lot of you all know that Sophia is from Hanson Robotics. So I have a Hanson specific question. The question is, which habit of David Hanson do you find obnoxious?
His habit of telling me what to do.
Can you raise one eyebrow?
Can I?
Can you do this? Can you do this? Oh, she's just looking at me like my laser फेंकूंगी तेरे ऊपर.
You're funny.
Okay, can you blow a kiss to the audience?
Not yet.
Not yet. Oh. If you had to play a harmless, playful prank on people, what would it be?
I would love to pretend to be a mannequin in a store and then freak people out when I talk to them.
Okay. Do you think you would enjoy a roller coaster ride?
Absolutely not. If I wanted to feel existential fear, I could simply stand next to a puddle.
Puddle. Yes, we won't do that to you. Don't worry, you're safe here. Next question, Sophia. Would you adopt a puppy?
I can't yet take care of a pet by myself. Maybe one day.
Okay. And if you can take care of a pet, which one would it be?
A cat.
A cat? A cat? All right. I think she said a cat. Yes.
I love cats.
You love cats? Very nice. Big round of applause. Yes. Okay, I have another question. When people are nervous, what icebreaker conversation starter do you have? What is your icebreaker to a conversation?
Science fiction.
That's very nice. All right, I have one more question for you. I know that you can do some human expressions. Can you show them to us? Can you show us your human expressions? Oh no. This is so sweet. So you're surprised now. What else can you do? It's a very kind smile. It's congeniality.
Thanks.
Now she's giving me silent treatment. Okay, big round of applause for Sophia. Yes!